Sawadee-ka! Hi, it's Christine, and I will be showing you how to make a Creme, or a Thai dessert that is pandan flavored tapioca with a salty coconut custard on top. When you go to the market, you are going to want to pick up some pandan flavored tapioca, and it's the really small size beads. And you're going to, I'll have the recipe down below, you're going to add it to hot water, boiling water, and with some sugar, and then also some corn. It is very good, believe me. Then to make the coconut custard, you're gonna use a can of coconut milk, and it has like the creamy stuff on top. And then some salt and sugar. And when you cook it, it will thicken up like this. Now, my tapioca is especially green because I added more pandan flavoring. They have these really cute little bottles in the Asian market of different flavors, and they even have durian, but this one's pandan. It has a nice, kind of a grassy taste, so we'll see what you think. When we serve this dessert, we often put it in little pandan leaf boxes, but I did not have that. So what I did is I went and picked up some frozen banana leaves. They also sometimes sell them fresh in the market. And the way to make a little box to put your custard in like this is you're going to take a piece of banana leaf and you're going to cut it. These are the ribs of the banana leaf, so you want those running the length of it. You're going to cut out a notch on one end of the leaf. So it's almost like the same size as the box above it. So that's a notch you'll have. Then you're going to fold your banana leaf and just trimming off the brown part. You're going to fold it so that it matches up like that, right there on that edge. And then you're going to cut halfway up the banana leaf at the halfway point. And then at the fold, you're going to do the same thing, just cut halfway up. And then you have the template for making a box. So the way I do it is I take the straight, the one that has the full length end, and I fold that flap up. That's going to be the bottom of the box, and I fold it towards the next section. And it makes one corner of the box, and then you can staple it. Then you're going to take it and fold it again. There are better videos of this on YouTube. You can always look them up. And you just make your way around until you have a box. Staple, staple, staple. Then you can take your little box and you're going to put some of the tapioca, pandan tapioca, in the bottom of the box. Ooh, and it's so sticky and cool. It's really delicious. And I would say, I like to do a ratio of 2/3 of the tapioca to 1/3 of the coconut cream, because the coconut cream is really, really salty and you don't want it to overpower the sweetness of the tapioca. I just put it in there. And then if you want, you can put a couple pieces of corn on top as a decoration. And there's your pandan flavored tapioca custard, coconut custard dessert, or a canome. And enjoy!